I'm like, hey, what's up? Hello. Seen so pretty. Soon as you walk through the door. Ooh, we been at six, my regular. I'm talking six for better. Oh, six for better. Hey, y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, BerryFae, and as you can tell from the title, help me find a birthday outfit from SHEIN, okay? I always pick SHEIN because it's affordable and it comes quick. I bought this last week on Wednesday, and today is Friday. The next week it is already here. So, hello. It's affordable, and it's going to give me the style and the look I'm looking for because this is kind of last minute. So, if you're looking for a last minute option, SHEIN is the way to go. Now, word on the curb is SHEIN is getting sued, but until then, I'm gonna get all my pieces before they shut that thing down, okay? If you feel me, you feel me. So let's get started opening up this package and seeing what's inside, because I kind of forgot what I ordered, really. And everything I mentioned will be linked down below. So just always, look for that. Never use those. I also did buy a whole bunch of earrings, but that will be in another video. As you can see, I got all these new earrings. This is the earring video part 2 coming up, but that's going to be in another video. I don't want to include it in this one. I just want y'all to help me find a dress. Okay. All right, so we're going to go ahead and just open everything up. I like to put them on hangers so I can see them, and it's just aesthetically pleasing. So, yeah. Here's the first one. Here's the first dress. Looking a little too big. This is for my vacation, actually. So this is what happens when you can't decide on which color. You get all of them so you can try them on. So tell me which one down below you think I should wear for my 29th birthday. All right, I love these dresses. Y'all seen them all over social media. Let's go ahead and try on the black one, the black one first. All right, so here is the first one. Here is the black one. I got all of my dresses in a size large because, I'm not that small anymore. But I like it. So you just tie it here and tie it first, and then so here is the dress. I actually do like it a lot. It fits very comfortably. There's a zipper here. That's how you get inside of the dress. So here is the first one. This is what it will be looking like. What do we think? I think this is so cute. Obviously, I would, press it to make sure all the wrinkles are out. But I actually love the way this looks, especially with my hair up. I just messed up my hair putting this dress on. But what do we think? This is the first one. I really like this a lot. This is definitely giving grown and sexy. It goes down pretty low. Let me show you guys. So it goes down pretty low. I love the shape. I love the cutout. I always like a little nice little I always like a nice little cutout on my dresses. Just obviously be careful to figure out what undergarments you will be wearing. I would just be wearing my half bra. So I'm wearing right now a bra that has a sleeve. I just took this one off. But I would definitely be wearing my half bra from Amazon, which is really sturdy. I like this a lot. So first is the black dress. What are we thinking about the black? I love the black. The black is definitely giving elegant. Is it giving birthday? Probably not. I don't mind popping out with color on my birthday. But this is so cute. Again, y'all been seeing this dress everywhere. So this is SHEIN's version of the dress. What do we think? All right, since it's black, we're going to be doing, a vote down below which one we think we should be wearing on the 29th birthday. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, you guys, so here is the pink one. I actually really like the pink one. I think the pink one is going to be it, especially because this season the Barbie movie is coming out in just a few days. So I know that sound is trending, and there's a trending sound with Ice Spice and Nicki that just came out, and I could do a reel to that. So I think this will be a perfect fit. Just for the season that it's in. This is a perfect week to be doing it. My bun keeps getting messed up because I have to do that, and I've already redone it 3 times so far. But I love this dress. Oh my goodness, this is so stinking cute. I wouldn't wear this honestly, but I don't think I have any bag that I could wear. which means I might have to go buy another one. But y'all, let me take a picture of this so I can see when I go to the store. I'm gonna try to go to Tory Burch. And these earrings, I gotta film an earring video later today too because we are giving. But I love the pink one, y'all. What do y'all think? It's cute. Yeah, that's giving elegant right there. I low-key feel like I shouldn't get braids. I'm supposed to be getting braids, but the braids won't go with this outfit unless I put it in a bun and leave like a little thing down. We're gonna see, but y'all, I absolutely love the pink one. What do y'all think about the pink one? I love that my little birthmark is showing. It's so cute. I could get some nice photos in this for sure. So here's the pink one. Loving it. Okay, so here is the green, lime green one. I love the way this one fits more than the other two. This one seems to be in a different size. I think I may have gotten this one in a medium and the other one's in a large. And if so, I'm gonna check. And yeah, we're gonna check that out because I feel that this is a different size because of the way it fits. This top part is much tighter. This fits like more over here. I don't think I tied it any differently. But if this is in a medium, I like it better because it's more form-fitting. I feel like that's what happened. I think I changed the size at the last minute, or this one wasn't available in large. And I got the black, this skirt I got a medium too. This one I got in a large. The black one is in a large. The hot pink is in a large. I knew it! And this one is in a medium. I should have gotten them all in medium. I really, really should have because this fits better. The other one's just a little bit looser. But this one fits like it looks more fitted, as you can see. I don't know if you can see, but the only thing is, when I was pulling this part down, I heard a little bit of a tch. So that might not be the move because it is a smaller size. It may not fit me over time up here because, like I said, one of the little scrunchies got a little bit loose just from me tugging on it. But I do like the way it looks on me better than the other two. I'm gonna show y'all what I mean. I'm gonna put the other ones right here and y'all can kind of see how it just looks more form-fitting, especially like here. So I don't know, I wish I would have got the black one, if anything, in a medium, because you know you want to look a little bit more slender, slimmer, and black. But I still love this. I still love all of them. I'm still gonna keep them. I'm not gonna return them. It's too much work, honestly. Now, YouTube fam, please tell me which one you like the best below and tell me which one you think looks the best for a birthday. I just really, really don't know, okay? I don't know. I don't know what to do here. So comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the earring haul that will be coming up after this video. And then after that, you will see my birthday vlog of me getting ready and my dinner and all that stuff. And you'll see which one I ended up wearing, and let's see if you were right in the votes. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Talk to you later. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Oh.